Hello there, my name is Vladimir and welcome to my YouTube channel where we're going to work with Adobe FireFly AI. When we can take to one age another one, just create a cool image and we'll see how this new technology help us to create better pictures and most accurate. So I work for some time with compositing, and sometimes you expand screens, expand images, and it's take time. Yes. So with new AI FireFly, it was amazing to me how easy to do. Well, you know what? Let's go actually do this. So right here, I have an image. And this is image we took it at the Goofy's Kitchen at the Disneyland. By the way, if you're interested, I have it down link below. Go check my another channel where we travel, have it fun, different foods, just goofing around. And I'm sure you probably enjoy that channel. But anyway, here is the kitchen. And what I want to do, I want to create more for the kind of social media, maybe like a banner. So for this, we'll just take our cropping tool. And usually just go in and take a little bit down. Let's go about right here. And we'll cut a little bit down below. And you know what? Nothing new. That can be done before. But what if we do an expand? And what I mean expand, what if I go left and right? What if I want to make a wider screen? And before FireFly, before all this stuff, it does have some kind of content aware, but not the level what we have right now. An example, we'll go down on the top right here. You can see where it says a fill, and we want to be sure it says generative fill. Well, sorry, generative expand. So what it does is will analyze image and put it together. So what I'm going to do, I'll go select this. I don't need to specify anything right now, and I press enter. You could actually specify, you could put a text, what you want to see there, but without putting in, the AI try to analyze all image and says, okay, that is what they want to put it there. So let's go ahead, see what's happening here. Notice it is sending my information to the server. It's a processing and now sending back. And look what we have. We have 3 results. We can click on each result to preview, and look on that. Wow. Of course, this one I don't want it, and they're going to extreme, so you can preview. But I think this one is look real good. Okay, let's look preview. Look at this before and after. It's analyzed on my left side. It's no wall. Look on this. No wall was on left side. So it's actually analyzing all of these areas, how it's going the arches. So it's analyzed arches, and based on the arches, it says, okay, here's supposed to be and the wall. That is amazing. Literally, it is amazing without specifying anything. It's make my compositing work, whatever work with images, so much easy. It's unbelievably. And also it's add some elements. Of course, it will be like problem right here. Let's zoom in, and okay, we'll click, we zoom in. Look at this. You see the mess up right here is happening. They also keep it in mind that what we have here resolution. Let's go check image size, and you notice it is actually 3000 by 6000. It's a huge image. It's large. And if you ever work with the stable diffusion or other things, the limitations. Original was 250, 512, now about 1000 by 24. If you go to Mid-Journey or other ones where you're generating images, they could technically go up to 4K and higher, but you need upscale and everything. Here, you're just selecting, and it's a matching resolution. It is wow. I mean, seriously, it's just wow. Okay. But right here we have it a little bit crappy. I don't know if you can even use the stencil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select my lasso. Oh, let's say cancel right there. We don't need to change size. Okay, we'll take our lasso tool, and I'm just going to select this area right here, which I don't necessarily like it. You know what? Let's leave it spoon. I will leave it spoon like this. So I just don't like this area. And next, I'll just click generative fill. As I click generative fill, I have a prompt, and you can specify. You can say a spoon or this or cricket. Maybe we should put it cricket. That is good. Pinocchio cricket. Maybe we'll do this. But I won't specify anything. And if you don't specify, AI analyze image. If you little bit familiar or just heard, you maybe heard a clip system. It's when language kind of association, it's try to take image, analyze, and put it properly. And look what's happening. Okay, before and after. Look at this. It's a cleanup. I mean, seriously, how amazing it is. And of course, we can look on different. Ooh, I like this one. Yeah, let's keep it that one. Look on this. So simple. You just go and you replace. You can put it everything. You know what? Let's try cricket. I think that is cool. Right here, I'm going to select area where I want to place the cricket. Just around there, we click generative fill, and we're going to type. And you know, the one thing, it sometimes can be good, sometimes can be. So we'll find out. Okay, I will have it. Cricket. I think that should work. Let's see how it's come up. Because you don't specify seed, you don't specify anything, it's whatever system will create it. So it does create a cricket right there. And I think I maybe, no. Well, that is weird. I think I like this one first. Yeah, look at this. That is a beautiful. And I wish they had option to specify seed. And seed, it's kind of reduced a little bit randomizations. So if you create some characters, you can remember those seed numbers, and after you can pass it, and based on the seed, they can create it a character, a good character, well, similar image. And I wish it was here, but again, look on this. I created cricket, which is kind of awesome. I think it's kind of very cool. So in this case, let's just analyze our image again. And we'll just scroll around, and like right here, look at this. Again, see the messy stuff right there? Like, it does not look right, yeah? So let's go again. Let's go select these areas, like right here. And this is a tip. I highly don't recommend select more than one, because we technically can select here, and we can select some area here. I don't like it. Let's try this. So, okay, we'll go select. Hold down shift, we'll select maybe a little bit more, like there. There you go. See, we select two areas. What are we going to do? Generative fill, generate. So it will create it. Problem with doing this way, now we have two areas and one pass. So it's, you saw we have three different versions, and some versions wasn't necessary what I like it. But if I get only one, I have a higher chance. Now I need to compare two of them. So this is one. I look second. And like, for example, I like this here, but I don't like this one. Or this. So it's kind of, you know, I recommend use just one area at a time and do this way. But I think this one clean up quite a bit. Look on this before and after. It definitely look way better. Of course. And I'm going with lasso tool just around here. Select area that I don't like it. Like, for example, here, and we'll go select a little bit here. I think those two ones, and we'll go generate and click generate again. So in some cases, that AI tool becomes so good that I don't use a healing brush in many cases, because you saw how with healing brush you try to go this even with new update algorithm. But right here, look, it's gone. I mean, it is amazing what it can do. Okay. Of course, you have some different options and different tools you can use it. But general this. The next thing's what we want to do. We want to actually add some fun text to this. And we can add text by going and typing. This is what I usually done before. So I have it text. I'm going to type, and then we can have it. Breakfast is what we recently have it at Tiffany's. No, it's not breakfast at Tiffany's. Breakfast at Goofy's Kitchen. And you know, just to make it is more fun, we could actually play with this. So we can have it a little bit bigger text. We can go ahead and increase up right here. So we can do all of this stuff. We even can go and play with the coloring, yeah. So we can add some strokes. fun overlay, drop couple shadows. We can do all of this fun stuff. And of course we can, just to make it fun and simple, we can go just to create our art, and just a little bit like this. Okay. And of course, if you want to have it very fancy stuff, you can even take individual letters and increase, play a little bit more with the size, smaller, bigger, just have it kind of somewhat fun. But it is nice, but it's a generic kind of text. Other things what we can do, we can utilize again FireFly, but sadly they don't have this FireFly yet inside of Photoshop. For this you need to go to fireflyadobe.com and you can use it text. Like right here, look what I did it. I says goofy kitchen text, yes, and I says kitchen, cookware, jars, spices, baguettes, sausages, candy, kitchenware. You can put all of this stuff, and then you generate it. Of course, when you generate it, you have multiple options, and that's what we're going to use. One option, I want increase from tight, medium, and loose. So by default, you're in the medium. Loose, it means parts will go a little bit more out. So we'll select this one. And we have a different type of fonts here. You can see, of course, we have way more different fonts that we can select. But I think, how about this one? A little bit more bold. Let's do this way. So we can select different fonts. I do like how it's come up, so we'll just leave it like this text. And background, I want transparent, so I'll just drag and drop it, okay? We'll select it, and we'll go ahead and click Generate. And let's actually take font, and we'll add all these elements, how you see it, and put together. And a lot of how much it is, add a lot of these funny elements around. But you know what? I don't know if I like it that much loose. So let's go back to our medium one. Select. We'll go to Generate. Also, if you notice on the bottom right there, it's generating 4 different versions. And that's what we can look. You can go and see which versions you like it. For example, here's some kind of bottles, other stuff. So we can go click, select on different, maybe donuts. Maybe we should put the donuts there. Okay. Yeah, see this one, a little bit more fun. Of course, we have it constrained to letters, except right here, see, with N, it's kind of jar comic. I think I like this way. Okay, and of course, when you like it, we want to save this. So let's go ahead, go over, and you notice right there, you have it, your more options. If we click on more options, you have it copy, you have it download, whatever. So if we just copy images, it should just copy for us. And let's go see if it's copied. There we go, and paste, Control V, and there we have it, our kitchen. Something you see, it is have a little bit black background, so it does not necessarily properly save. I think we need to go back to our kitchen, and we'll need it save it. So, and as we save it, we want to save, of course, as PNG, so we have it all transparency saved for us. And now after we save it, we have it our image. I can take this now, drag and drop, and there we have it, our transparency. Look at that, how it is nice. Of course, there's another problem because it's so busy, it's hard to see, and we need to add some other elements to showing. But in general, I think it's kind of fun. Yes. Okay, let's go ahead very fast. We'll go create one, and we can just create something like this. White. Let's go with white for now. And we can select even images and place it. But you can see already how fun it is to create. I would say personally it is a best choice right now from design point of view to use this kitchen there, because small details won't be visible. But it is nice things to just play around and try it. Okay, so far you see how well we created our cricket from the text we wanted. Expanded. It's a beautiful. I'm just speechless how good it is work on generative expand. And we also add and fixed some of those elements. It's not very complex what we've done here. Oops. Okay. It's not very complex. It's a simplicity, but this is the best parts, because on this case you focus on your creative part and less worried about technology. This is, I think, best technology that is transparent. You cannot see it, but it's there and help you to deliver your idea what you wanted. Well, I hope you liked this video. It wasn't very complex, but it was fun for me, and hopefully it was fun for you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, share this video, watch all the way. Your help is greatly appreciated. Thank you and have a great day.